My name is Santa Sagaro, aka the Caribbean Dub, and I am excited to join this party. I have been wanting to come on YouTube for so long, and I'm really just hoping that somebody finds me interesting. Don't want to be on this party on my own. Anyway, if you know me from Instagram, on my tiny little page on Instagram, you would know that I like to have a good bit of notes here. I like to have things organized because I have a tendency to waffle. Anyway, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Santa Sagara once again. I'm from the Caribbean island of Montserrat. I moved to Dublin, Ireland in 1995, I think it was. And I've been living here ever since. So you could say there's more Irish in me than there is Caribbean, but look, my roots are my goals, okay? My roots are everything. So I have a bit of both. Very much a Caribbean girl with an Irish upbringing, and I love Ireland, and I think I have a lot of green under my belt, as in I'm from two Emerald Isles. Montserrat is the Emerald Isle of the Caribbean, and I live in the Emerald Isle of the world. So here I go. We're actually in Montserrat. We're the only other place in the world to celebrate St. Patrick's Day as a public holiday officially, okay? For a lot of different reasons, but we really are. And I'm really proud of that, Green is my color. Green, okay, my real color is yellow. But you know what I mean. Green, all about the green is my color. Okay. So let's go. First things first, what is this page going to be about? Well, I can't tell you that unless I go back to where this all started for me in a sense. Okay, not gonna lie, I set this page in 2013, wanted to cook loads of good, yummy food. But then I just wasn't brave enough to do it, to be fair. But in 2019, I embarked on a debt-free journey. I was under a lot of stress mentally. I'm not ashamed to say it. I went through probably a stress and anxiety induced breakdown where I just felt like I couldn't go anymore. And for me, that would have been okay, except I'm a single mother with two young kids, and I had to do better. I knew I had to step up my game. I need to get my money right. I just couldn't be in debt anymore. Debt was holding me back. It was holding me down. I'm not saying I'm a great swimmer, but you can't swim when you have weights on you. It's just that bit harder, and I was drowning, people. I was literally going down, 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 down. I have this really bad habit of getting music into what I'm saying, so just get used to that. I'm sorry. Hopefully one day I'll be able to edit good, and I'll be able to edit music, and I don't know. Don't sue me, okay? But anyway, I got myself into a lot of debt. I was drowning, and I just decided that I was gonna go hardcore, and I was literally going to get rid of my debts. So on the eve of 2019, feeling really low, feeling really down, feeling really sad, maybe a little bit ashamed, and just the fact that I've been fronting, and I had to get real, because you know what, the first point of starting something is to go, put your hand up and say, look, I failed a little bit, okay? Things aren't working out the way I thought they were, and now I need to fix it. You have to admit that you made a mistake, and I really made a lot. I've been in debt my whole life, my whole adult life, okay? My whole adult life. I've been living goals. I've been driving Audis. I've been rolling. Okay, I've been driving a car that when I bought the Audi, I was actually ashamed to be in the back. I was ashamed to be in it. I was like, oh my God. And it was a convertible. That top was hardly ever down. And when it was down, I was like that, driving, cringing. So I'm not a showboat. I literally like to live a simple lifestyle. So I got myself out of debt in 1 year. Well, actually 13 months, but I'm gonna own that year, okay? I'm gonna just say it's a year, because I'm not gonna be saying 13 months every time. It sounds better in a year, and I'm gonna just own that. And I have just decided that my YouTube channel is going to be really about me sharing the lifestyle behind the budget. And basically that I don't think I'm a boring person. I think when people think of budgeting, it has to be real strict, real regimented. It does to a certain Yeah, it does to a certain point, but I don't think that it really has to be, oh my God, you're boring, you're on a budget. No, I'm living my best life, okay? I am living my best life and I don't owe nobody nothing. So I don't think that's the worst way to really live. I really don't. So on this page, you're gonna see me gardening. I'm getting really into gardening and growing my own food. I'm really getting into that. I'm really getting into the different ways of gardening. My goal is to live in the countryside and have a little plot of land and grow my few veg and live a quiet life, mind my own business, except for sharing a few bits and pieces through social, you know. But that's basically what my goal in life is. Right now, look, that's the end game for me. And bringing my two beautiful children, Louis and Eliza, bringing them up to appreciate nature, to not be so street smart. We live in Dublin, we live in the capital now. And I don't want them to be street smart before they have to. I want them to be children and appreciate what we have for free in this world, rather than getting sucked into, oh, we need this, we need that. I just want to erase that. And although I've been doing that to a certain point here, I'd love them to just, you know, that would be my ultimate goal. I don't know how successful I'm gonna be with that, but I really would love that. I do a lot of budgeting, so I'll probably keep that separate. I'll probably keep that as, like, you know, let's say chapters. Let's just say I'm gonna have chapters in my stories on YouTube, okay? So let's just say there'll be budgeting chapters, so you'll see how I budget. And I have another goal. Right now I'm doing the baby steps with Dave Ramsey. So I'm on baby step 3, paid off my goals. Now I'm saving a 3 to 6 months emergency fund, which I think with the COVID-19 situation, I'm in the right spot. Do you ever get that some things happen for a reason? Like, I feel like I paid off my debts for a reason. I feel like it was meant to happen last year to prepare me so I can share and hopefully inspire people just like me who are not on the highest income. I'd say I'm on a low to medium income, and I've been able to achieve things that I didn't think that were possible. I thought it was only people that earn mad money and, you know, have that income coming in all the time. But I'm gonna show you that I'm a hustler, baby, and we're gonna hustle our way to get to where we need to go. So budgeting is gonna be a chapter. Another chapter is upcycling. I love to upcycle a little bit and pieces. I love using old. I'm getting more and more into it, guys. I'm getting more into, what are you throwing out over there? What can I do with that? I'm getting more into that kind of vibe. I said the gardening, growing your own. I'm currently growing garlic. Well, I'm looking at the garden now. I'm like, what am I growing over there? Garlic, scallions. I have tomatoes, potatoes, peas. Then I have my herbs. I have flowers as well. But I'm going to be getting more peppers. Yeah, really just into growing my own and just creating a really happy life here for us until I get to the end goal, which is the big move. But I think wherever you are, be happy and appreciate it. And I really appreciate my home and the fact that I can provide for my children. And a budget does that as well. The next one is I'm going to be sharing a lot of my goals, which is, and hopefully somebody, hopefully my inspired to ride that wave with me. Okay, sorry, stop. Let me stop. I'm going to stop. I'm becoming more aware of the environment, and I want to be more sustainable in things that I invest my money in, things that I invest my time in. And I think that kind of links up with being more caring for myself. So if I'm sustainable, I'm watching the products that I wear on my face. I love a bit of glam, people. You might get hints of that if I'm going on a night out now and then, which is rare. And what is rare is seldom, I guess. Don't know if that saying was right, was it? I don't know. Somebody could tell me, if you could comment and just tell me what that saying really is, it'll be great. What is weird is seldom? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so I love that. So like the upcycling is a part of that, using. So I'm trying to learn, just going back to what maybe my grandmother would have done. I'm trying to learn just to live that sustainable life. Like I have a pair of jeans, instead of throwing it out, make those shorts for the summer, honey. That's the way I see it. Cooking from scratch. I can't believe I've waited so long to talk about this. Cooking from scratch is like a big thing for me, and I like doing fakeaways, like making the little Chinese meals at home, you know, like going up to those fast food restaurants and going like, you know, mama can make burgers at home, kids, okay? We don't need to go to McDonald's every minute. I'm very like that. I'm one of those, like Eddie Murphy's mom. I'm literally like, I'll show you a burger. Like, so if you're on Instagram, you know I've been doing the fakeaways for a while. My Instagram is the Caribbean Dub. Everything, all the handles that I have on social media, I'm fortunate to have the same name under all of them. Yeah, so cooking from scratch is a big thing for me. I love it, people. I love it. On my Instagram, I show cocktails. Look, I'm not a professional barman or barmaid. I'm nothing like that. I can't do like the fancy trick. I could barely shake the bloody cocktail shaker, but I try my best. And I give out as much as I can, and I try and do it with a bit of crack in it, you know, and just, I think life's about being totally irie, totally relaxing, totally enjoying what you're doing, and just trying. Like, no one's perfect on the first go. Okay, it's been my 20th cocktail making video or something I've made, and I'm still nowhere near perfect, but you know what? I'll be sipping, I'll be dipping, I'll be doing. Still love Wendy, still love Wendy. She's a bit of a gossiper, but I love you. I want to share how I balance my life in some sense. It can get hectic being a single mother, and trying to like achieve your goals and your dreams. And I just want to make people that are in a similar situation, and maybe where I was in 2018, was just really low in confidence, and really trying to figure out, like, is this the life I want to live, you know? Maybe that's you and you're thinking that. Maybe you know somebody, share it. Let them know what I'm talking about, honey. Maybe that'll be something that will interest you. I hope so. But sharing the balance in my life, I think might be an interesting thing for you to really get into. And connecting with my Caribbean background as well. I've been getting, the older I get, the more connected I get with really who I am. And I have to thank going on the debt-free journey. I think any life-changing journey that you go on, when you face one of your fears and change a bad habit and make it a good one, I think you really grow, and you really like fall in love with yourself and fall in love with the true essence of who you are. And I think that's really important. And you really attract your tribe, and you really find your tribe, you know? So yeah, hopefully this is giving you an essence of who I am as a person. It's giving you an overview of what I'm about. I'm very simple, like to live a simple life to the most part. I'm a homebody. Okay, so my battery just died. I hope that really makes sense for you. It's because it kind of makes sense for me, but makes no difference. So just say hi, and I'd be happy to see us. Yeah, okay, bye.